Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm gonna show you another interesting gadget which I've recently received, but I'm not gonna be using it, and if you'd like to know why, I'm gonna tell you in the end of this video. And before I begin, you can like the video if you'll find the content useful, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to support it and become a part of our community. Well, about this gadget, it's pretty long. As you can see, it basically fits in my hand. There isn't much to tell about it. It has these rubber ends, in my opinion, that's specifically designed not to damage the fish when you are going to be holding its mouth. It has this metal part which allows you to hold these two mouth openers together, and that's basically it. It's fully made from metal, which I don't really like, because if you don't keep it dry, even if they tell you that it won't rust, that it basically works in the salt water and the fresh water, I would say that from my experience, no, it doesn't. If you keep it dry, and for example, if you'll after the usage it will be wet and you'll just throw it in your tackle box, you'll basically notice that in a week or so, maybe in a month, it will start to rust. So yeah, about this gadget, it's pretty easy to operate. To open it up, you just push these two parts together like so, and that's it. When you catch a big fish, basically, and you'd like to remove your lure or any hooks that you are fishing with, you just put this gadget inside of the mouth and basically release it, and you can easily remove hooks from its mouth. Remember, I've mentioned that in the beginning of this video that I'm not going to be using this gadget, but again, I'm showing you all the gadgets that I can find, so this is one of them. Even if it's useless for me, it might actually work for some of you guys. Why I'm not going to be using it? All is pretty simple, because we don't have such big fishes in my country, so I don't actually think that it will be useful for me. But again, if you are fishing like for big pikes, muskies, or if you are fishing if you're doing sea fishing and catching big fishes, then yeah, this one would work pretty well for you. But again, don't forget to keep it dry. So, that's basically it from today's video. If you'd like to check the price, I'll try to, I'll put the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.